looked at your NPS score and wondered, okay, but what do I actually do with this? Or maybe you have been collecting NPS feedback inside spreadsheets, switching between tabs, trying to make sense of hundreds of comments. Hi, I'm Kanika from Zonka Feedback, your go to platform for surveys, seats management, and now AI feedback intelligence. And in today's video, we are diving into something every CX product and growth team needs to get right: the best NPS tools for gathering customer feedback. What we'll cover in the video would be what NPS actually is, why you need an NPS software, the top 5 tools I personally recommend, how to pick the right NPS tool for your business. So let's get into it. What is Net Promoter Score, or NPS? If you've seen my 2-minute NPS explainer, great, you already know the basics. But here's the quick refresher. NPS, or Net Promoter Score, measures customer loyalty by asking one single question: how likely are you to recommend us on a scale of 0 to 10? Why you need an NPS software? Here's the thing, NPS seems simple. It's one question, but running a real NPS program, that's a whole different story. A proper NPS software helps you collect feedback at the right touch points, organize everything in one place, understand what's driving your score, and actually close the loop with customers. Without it, you're basically collecting numbers you can't really use. Good NPS tools or NPS survey software give you 4 things: a way to send surveys consistently across channels, a single dashboard where everything comes together, analytics to understand the why behind the score, and workflows to take action fast. That's what separates brands that just track NPS from brands that actually improve it. Top 5 NPS tools in 2025. Here they are, my top picks for NPS survey tools. Each one is relevant, effective, and pulled from our hands-on review. Zonka Feedback. Let's start with Zonka Feedback, because if you're looking for an NPS tool that doesn't just collect a score but actually builds a full NPS program around your customer journey, this is where it truly shines. With Zonka, sending NPS surveys feels effortless. You can reach customers wherever they are through email, SMS, WhatsApp, in-app, on your website, and even through kiosks or QR codes if you're collecting feedback offline. And because everything flows back into one central dashboard, it's incredibly easy to stay on top of every response, every segment, every trend. But the real magic happens when customers start responding. As the feedback comes in, Zonka automatically organizes it. You'll see themes forming, sentiment being detected, and patterns you wouldn't have spotted manually. If a customer mentions something urgent or emotionally charged, it gets flagged so your teams can jump on it. And detractors, they don't slip through the cracks. Alerts and follow ups get triggered automatically, and your team always knows who needs attention and why. If you're someone who loves digging deeper, this is where AI feedback intelligence becomes your co pilot. It doesn't just tell you NPS dropped, it tells you what caused the drop, which customer segments were affected, which issues kept coming up, and what your next step should be. You get summaries, key drivers, sentiment shifts, and action insights without reading every single comment. In short, Zonka Feedback gives you the full stack: effortless distribution, centralized response management, deep analysis, and automated workflows. Everything you need to run a high impact NPS program that actually moves the needle. Second, Qualtrics. Now, if you're watching this from a large enterprise or you are managing multiple products, geographies, or business units, you'll probably recognize Qualtrics. Qualtrics is a powerhouse when it comes to NPS at scale. Its dashboard are built for big teams, layered scorecards, deep segmentation, role-based insights. What makes Qualtrics strong for NPS is its ability to go beyond the score. You can run NPS relationship surveys, transactional NPS, lifecycle NPS, and everything sits inside one interconnected VOC system. The platform also gives you predictive intelligence, meaning it not only shows you your NPS but can actually forecast which customers are at risk, what's driving detractor behavior, and how close you are to meeting your CX goals. It's powerful, it's robust, and if you have a large-scale CX program with multiple stakeholders, Qualtrics becomes a strong backbone for your NPS workflow. Survey Sparrow. Survey Sparrow is one of those tools that immediately stands out visually. If your main challenge is engagement, getting people to actually respond, Survey Sparrow does a fantastic job with its conversational NPS experience. Its UI feels more like a chat than a traditional form, which instantly boosts response rates. For NPS, Service Sparrow gives you recurring survey automation, clean dashboard for promoters, passives, and detractors, and a simple way to trigger follow-up questions and personalized flows. It's great for teams that want something modern, friendly, and lightweight without complex configurations. Ask Nicely. Ask Nicely is built for very specific kind of NPS workflow, one where frontline teams play the biggest role in customer satisfaction. The interface is centered around daily NPS updates, team performance, and coaching cues. It's less about deep, intricate analytics and more about helping people on the ground improve their service every single day. For industries like retail, fitness, hospitality, home services, anywhere your staff interacts directly with customers, Ask Nicely makes NPS feel actionable. It turns feedback into daily routines, showing teams exactly where they are doing well, where they are slipping, and how to improve customer experience in real time. So, if your NPS program needs to motivate and empower frontline teams, Ask Nicely gives you that momentum built right into the tool. Delighted. Delighted is perfect for teams that want a clean, straightforward NPS workflow without the complexity of larger seats platforms. Its interface is simple. The setup is quick, and sending NPS through email, SMS, or your website takes almost no effort. It is designed to help you get NPS up and running fast, and for a long time, Delighted was one of the most popular entry-level NPS survey tools because of that simplicity. The reporting is clean and straightforward too. You get clear NPS trends, basic filtering, and quick visibility into what's positive or negative. It's great if you want high-level insight without diving deep into analysis. But as many of you already know from my recent video, Delighted is sunsetting. So if you are using it right now or you have been thinking about trying it, this is a good moment to start considering Delighted alternatives. How to pick the right NPS tool? Picking the right NPS tool can completely change how you understand your customers. So here's the fast way to know what to look for. Start with timing. Your NPS tool should let you trigger surveys at the right moment in the customer journey, after onboarding, after purchase, or after support, not just once in a while. Then look for tools that help you understand the why, not just the score. AI-powered insights, sentiment analysis, and theme detection save hours and give you clarity instantly. You also want real-time alerts. The second a detractor responds, your team should know so you can fix the issue before it becomes a churn. Make sure that the tool supports the channels your customers use, whether it's email, SMS, in-app, website, or WhatsApp, whatever fits your business. And finally, check integrations. Your NPS tool should sync smoothly with your CRM, help desk, and internal system so feedback flows into your daily work. If your tool can do all of that, collect, analyze, alert, integrate, and help you close the loop, you have found the right NPS software for your business. Okay, that's a wrap. Your complete guide to choosing the right NPS tools for your business. If NPS has ever felt overwhelming or disconnected, the right software really is the difference between collecting scores and actually understanding your customers. With the right NPS tool, you are not just tracking a number, you're improving loyalty, reducing churn, and building experiences people genuinely want to recommend. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop your endless questions in the comments. I'd love to hear what you are working on and what tools you are exploring. And if you want a smarter way to collect, analyze, and act on NPS feedback, check out Zonka Feedback using the link in the description. With omni-channel feedback collection, powerful workflows, and AI feedback intelligence, it might just become your new superpower for turning NPS insights into real business impact. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.